Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to use your Cash App balance to pay for things at stores using your iPhone, the easiest way to do that is by linking your Cash card to Apple Pay. You don't even need the physical card in your hands to set this up. So the quickest way to get this done is to start directly inside the Cash App itself. So open up the app and tap the Money tab in the bottom left corner. It's either the little bank icon or it'll show your current balance. Right at the top of that screen, tap on your Cash card image. This opens up your card settings menu. Scroll down just a bit until you see the option that says Add Apple Pay and tap it. The app will ask whether you want to add it to your iPhone or your Apple Watch. Select your device and hit Next. And then tap Agree to the standard terms and conditions. The app will now talk to your Apple's wallet automatically, and your card will be instantly loaded and ready to use. Also, as you can see, we can go here into our cards, tap on the Add Apple Pay, where you have the Cash card, and you can add it. Also, guys, now if that button doesn't show up for some reason, you can easily add it manually through your iPhone's built-in wallet app. This is what I was showing. So open up the wallet, tap on the plus, choose debit or credit card. Instead of scanning a physical card, tap Enter Card Details manually. You can find your card number, expiry date, and CVV code by going back to your Cash App, tapping the card image, and selecting Card Details. And copy those exactly into the wallet prompt, and it will send a quick verification code as well to your phone by text or email for security. Tap that code in, and you're fully connected. That is it. Enjoy, guys. If this was helpful, subscribe.